Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making Chez Panisse's blueberry cobbler. What's the important part about that? The blueberry cobbler part, of course. We're going to use about 20 ounces of blueberries. It's a whole lot. And this recipe, because it comes from Chez Panisse, which is a restaurant in Berkeley, California, that started that whole farm-to-table trend, really keeps it very clean and simple. This recipe, quite frankly, could not be easier. There is so little sugar which goes into it, and that the blueberry flavor will truly come through, and the blueberries will shine. Yes, shine and be so delicious. We're also making it because you put the blueberries in, you add the flour in, a little sugar in, and you mix it all about. You make your crumble topping and you put it on top. Into the oven it goes. That's what it's all about. Yes. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. The second thing you want to do is get a dish that's big enough. This is about 10 by 10. Put the blueberries in it and just make sure that they're not going to overflow because there are a lot of blueberries. Lots of blueberries. Sugar going in. All-purpose flour. Mix. All-purpose flour. Salt. Sugar. Baking powder. Mix together. Unsalted butter. Mix with fingers or a pastry cutter. Once it looks like coarse meal, go ahead, add heavy cream in. Add your blueberry mixture to your dish. Make sure it's all fully moistened, and then we're going to create patties to go on top of our lovely, luscious blueberries. It should be about 2 inches wide, which is this is about right, and about a ½ inch thick. And we're just going to place them on top. Into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes until the tops of the cobbler pieces are nice and brown and the juices of the blueberries are bubbling through. That's the purpose of this Chez Panisse's blueberry cobbler. The blueberries shine through, literally. It is bubbly and lightly brown on top. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. We're gonna let this cool slightly and then we get to eat it warm. All right, this looks so good. Let's take a piece out. Look, it's so juicy. Oh, yes. Let's get some more blueberries in there. All right. The dough part looks like it baked perfectly. It's a perfect light brown, and the juiciness of those blueberries, a lot of them burst open in the oven and made this lovely blueberry juice, which really is perfect farm to table, having those blueberries truly shine through. Look at the color. Beautiful. Tasting time. All right. All right, I am not even a blueberry pie fan. Okay, that's not true. I like blueberry pie, but I wouldn't go out of my way for it. For this is delicious. I love blueberries by themselves. I love them with cream. I love them with sugar. I'll eat them straight out of the package without washing them. I know I shouldn't, but I do because I love blueberries so much. This is one of those dishes where those blueberries really do come through. So even those who aren't blueberry pie fans will love this. This is truly, truly delicious. If I can make a Chez Panisse's blueberry cobbler for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on those notifications, Check me out on Instagram.